Paris will send an amphibious helicopter carrier and frigate to the Philippines for this year's Balikatan, marking the largest participation of French forces in Manila's annual military exercise to date. Two warships, the Mistral-class landing helicopter dock, LHD, FS Dixmude, L9015, and the Fayette-class frigate FS Aconit, F713, and their complement of naval infantry, rotary wing aviation, and drones are set to join Balikatan 2026 according to the French Navy's announcement covering 2020 SIXS Jeanne d'Arc training mission deployments. The mission will leave France's primary naval base in Toulon on February 17th. Both of these warships have been upgraded in recent years, receiving new sensors and modernized armaments to contend with modern naval challenges. Naval News reported that the Dixmude received a navalized electro-optical/infrared system capable of providing high-quality multispectral imaging. Meanwhile, the Aconit has been equipped with a hull-mounted sonar, new air defense systems, and improved command and control facilities through a modernization program. This will be the first deployment of a large-deck French amphibious assault vessel to the multinational drills, which have seen larger and more capable contingents from France to bolster defense ties with the Philippines. The French Navy's deployment to the Southeast Asian nation is among several to be held throughout the Indo-Pacific region in this year's Jeanne d'Arc mission. Designed to acclimate French naval officers with long-term deployments and international trends, 2020 SIXS iteration of 5-month-long training mission will include various exercises throughout the region. It's a practical training ground where they will be given responsibilities, stated Mission Commander Jocelyn Delrieux in a French Navy press release on the mission. It will also allow them to experience the challenges that await them in the future, such as drones and data. While Paris has previously deployed forces to the Philippines for military exercises, including last year's maritime cooperative activity in the South China Sea involving the Charles de Gaulle Carrier Strike Group and for previous Balikatan drills, this contingent is set to join the most complex iteration of the exercise series to date. Both U.S. and Philippine militaries are expected to deploy new capabilities and rehearse territorial defense drills, which have increased in recent years following a series of incidents over contested South China Sea maritime features with Chinese forces. France has emerged as one of Manila's most important partners in military exercises and maritime security assistance. French forces have been a constant in recent Balikatan drills. Last year also saw Paris commit to the loan and delivery of 40 vessels capable of patrols across Manila's exclusive economic zones for the Philippine Coast Guard. French shipbuilder OSHA has pledged to construct a yard to build half of the patrol vessels in the Philippines. The company claims that the first vessel will be delivered this year.